welcome back to my channel. I'd just like to share with you guys what I found today in the internet. This is about our former Filipino do need a return ticket when booking a flight to the Philippines or returning to the Philippines for a while. I know some of you guys would be wondering if do you need a return ticket? Do you need to buy a return ticket? Do you need to present a return ticket when you arrive in the airport? Based on my experience, before, I'm talking about like 2010 when flying in and out of the Philippines. Yes, the airline do ask, do you have a return ticket when you fly into the Philippines? That is one of the requirements that they would ask you, because some countries some countries are visa free. They have 30 days visa free to stay in the Philippines, and some countries, of course, they don't have, they need to apply for a visa. But anyway, we just focus on, do former Filipino need a return ticket when flying to the Philippines, when going back to the Philippines? This is what the discussion about today. So I am going to include all the informations I can give you guys, like link. This is the website of the Philippine Immigration, www.immigration.gov.ph. So you just scroll down to section 11, and this is what it says. Who are exempt from the return ticket requirement? Number one, Philippine passport holders. So those are, of course, the Filipino citizen. Former Filipinos and their dependents. So those are like me and my daughter and my husband. Those are Filipinos that became a citizen of another country and who did not apply for dual citizenship. So we will be under former Filipino. Permanent residents and holders of other special visa categories requiring temporary residence with valid ACRI cards. So I'll leave you to read what's in there, and a lot of your questions would be answered in there too. So that's what I found today, guys. I'd like to share with you. By the way, I am not a travel agent or a travel expert, but me and my family were just trying to get to the Philippines, and this is how I find out about this, because we also need this information. We need to know this information, and this is how I find it out this morning, if do we really need to, because at the moment, guys, like flight tickets are very expensive to purchase. It's like flying from here in Australia back to the Philippines. Now is May the 3rd, so if I'll book on the 15th, I looked on the website, it's worth 3,000, over 3,000 per person. So that's the normal price of the plane ticket is only 600 one way, and now it's 3,000 plus, so it's times 5, equivalent to 5 people. And if you're buying return ticket because you didn't know that you don't have to, if you are, don't forget, if you are a former Filipino and traveling, existing family of a former Filipino traveling with the former Filipino. So this is what I know, this is what I read, that you don't have to have a return ticket. So when you go into the airport and you get hassle with it, you get questioned by the airline, refer them to this website, section 11. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you like this video and give us a like. Check out also my other vlog. I had recently uploaded a video for the last couple days. Yesterday was the traveling to the Philippines is not easy, which is probably anywhere in the world. Yeah, check on that, guys, because that is about booking a flight. The other one is the good news, Philippines had lifted the travel ban, and the other one is flight cancelled. We already had booked a plane ticket 3 times already trying to get to the Philippines. So anyway, guys, hope you like this video, guys. If you do, and don't forget to leave us a comment below, guys. Share what you think. Share with us what informations you know, and so that I can share it also with other people. And I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Just click that subscribe button down below. If it's red, that means you haven't subscribed yet. And don't forget to click that notification bell button next to it. And I can hear the airplane outside. Anyway, and that's all for today, guys. And I'll see you all in my next vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.